case of refractory antral ulcer was referred to me by a colleague of mine. Previously biopsied but negative for malignancy. I did an upper endoscopy and took biopsy of the edge of the ulcer as well as the middle part of the ulcer. Came back as negative for malignancy, some necrotic tissue, but no malignancy. Endoscopic ultrasound were performed, and in the area of the ulcer, I did see hypoechoic area, and next to the area of thickness in the gastric wall, there was a large lymph node as well as mesenteric lymph nodes, as you can see on the screen, were also noted, relatively smaller than the larger lymph node next to the ulcerated mass, as seen on the screen. Attention was diverted to liver, which was free of any metastases. But once again, higher lymph nodes were noted, and a chain of lymph nodes from the hilum all the way down to the paragastric lymph nodes were seen. Once again, liver with higher lymph nodes available on this screen. To be seen, fairly large higher lymph node. The probe was then directed to the aorta, and celiac lymph nodes were seen. Several large celiac lymph nodes identified as seen on the screen. Based on this picture endoscopically, it was deemed that the lymphoma, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, is very much a possibility. And 19 gauge FNB needle was selected. To take the biopsy. The biopsy from the base of the ulcer and the gastric thickening was reported as few strands of fibrous stroma within the cell block material. No diagnostic malignancy identified. Gauge needle was once again used for the paragastric lymph node next to the ulcerated mass. As you can see on the screen, the large paragastric lymph node is being biopsied, and the biopsy once again came back as scattered lymphoid cells and strands of lymph node parenchyma. Single sheet of benign glandular cells, no diagnostic malignancy identified. Celiac lymph nodes were biopsied next, as you can see on the screen, and the celiac lymph nodes were reported as numerous lymph node cells and strands of lymph node parenchyma. No diagnostic malignancy identified. Further biopsy with the wide bore needle or open biopsy of the lymph nodes was recommended by pathologist, and it was duly performed by intervention radiologist and came back as non-Hodgkin lymphoma. So the conclusion was that in case of lymphatic malignancies, large amount of tissue is needed to make a definitive diagnosis of non-Hodgkin lymphoma, and hence the EUS FNA, even with the 19-gauge needle, may not be enough, and attempt should be made with the IR, wide bore biopsy or open biopsy of the lymph nodes. Thanks for watching this interesting case.